Welcome to our GPU comparison video. Today, we will dive into the details of two powerful graphics cards from Gigabyte, the RTX 4070 Super WINDFORCE OC and the upcoming RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC. Both cards promise exceptional performance, but they come from different generations of NVIDIA's technology. Let's explore their features, specifications, and what sets them apart in the gaming landscape. The GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super utilizes the Ada Lovelace architecture, which has proven to deliver excellent performance in gaming and content creation. In contrast, the upcoming RTX 5070 is built on the new Blackwell architecture, promising significant improvements in efficiency and performance. This generational leap could redefine gaming experiences, especially with the introduction of new technologies. The RTX 4070 Super features GDDR6X memory, which is known for its high performance, but is now being outpaced by the new GDDR7 memory in the RTX 5070. This new memory type offers increased bandwidth and efficiency, making it more suitable for high-resolution gaming and demanding applications. The transition to GDDR7 could provide a significant advantage for future-proofing your gaming rig. The RTX 4070 Super is optimized for 1440p gaming, providing excellent frame rates and performance in modern titles. Meanwhile, the RTX 5070 is designed to handle 4K and even 8K gaming, thanks to its advanced architecture and memory capabilities. This makes the RTX 5070 a more future-proof option for gamers looking to push the limits of their gaming experience. In conclusion, both the GIGABYTE GeForce RTX 4070 Super and the RTX 5070 WINDFORCE OC offer impressive features and performance. The RTX 4070 Super is a solid choice for current gaming needs, while the RTX 5070 promises to be a powerhouse for the future. If you're looking for the best performance today, the 4070 Super is available now, but if you want to invest in future technology, the 5070 might be worth the wait. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech reviews.